The session includes database, where I kept some topics of database structure, flat file system, relational database, relationships, normalization, which includes first NF, second NF, or third NF. So starting with database structure. Now first of all, you can see, and we need to know about what the data, and we are working and we are handling the data, so we must know about what the data is and where does it come from. So data is derived from the Latin word datum, which is singular, and data is plural. So you must be well aware of data, which are raw facts and figures gathered from various sources and presentable and inactive. They are scattered. That means you cannot get information, you cannot infer any structure about this thing, that this is an information, or if the data is written, or let's suppose things are scattered somewhere. So this is the example of the data, that different fields and items are anywhere, but you have to collect that data and you have to structurize the data, and then that becomes the information. Now moving on to what is information. Basically, if you would like to understand what is the meaning of information, so information is an organized collection of data where you can see the expressions such as information equals to data plus structure. So if you keep this information in your mind, you can see that yes, information can be formed while giving the structure to the data, because data itself has no meanings. It is a scattered form. So when you put a structure and put the items in the structures or field structures, so you will see that this becomes the information and it will give you the meaning too. Now moving on to the database structure, the first thing which is known as database. Now we say that database, what is data and base? Database means a collection of related files. File basically is a collection of related records, and a record is a collection of related fields, and a field is a collection of related characters. And you know that characters itself a collection of related bytes. And if you talk about the byte, a byte is a collection of 8 bits, and if you talk about the bits, is a binary digit, that is 0 or 1. So this is the structure of database, where you can go from top to bottom or bottom to top. So basically we go from bottom to top. So bit, byte, characters, fields, record, file, and database.